The question is, David has an interesting habit of spending money. He spends exactly pound X on the xth day of the month. For example, he spends exactly pound 5 on the 5th day of any month. On a few days in a year, David noticed that his cumulative spending during the last 4 consecutive days can be expressed as 2 to the power n, where n is a natural number. What can be the possible values of n? Now say, taking the first option, so 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Now, this cannot be represented as a sum of 4 consecutive days, so this is not possible. Option B, 2 to the power 6, so we get 64. Now this can be represented as 30 plus 31 plus 1 plus 2. So this is the correct option. Option C, 2 to the power 7 is 128, which is not possible. And option D, that is 2 to the power 8, this gives us 256. So this is again not possible. So C and D not possible. E, N can have more than one value. This is again not possible. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, a cone of radius 4 cm with a slant height of 12 cm was sliced horizontally, resulting into a smaller cone upper portion and a frustum lower portion. If the ratio of the curved surface area of the upper smaller cone and the lower frustum is 1:2, what will be the slant height of the frustum? So now, let this be our cone. Now, AC is equal to root over 12 squared minus 4 squared using Pythagoras theorem. So we get this to be 8 root 2. And also now ACD is a right angle. This L. So h by 8 root 2 is equal to L by 12, that is equal to R by 4, or h by 2 root 2 is equal to L by 3 is equal to R by 4. But rather this is R by 1, since we are dividing it throughout by 4. Now pi RL by pi 4 plus R into L is equal to half. This has been given to us. From here, if the ratio of the curved surface area of the upper smaller cone and the lower frustum is 1:2. So on equating this and solving, we get 2RL is equal to 4 plus R into capital L. From here we get 2RL is equal to 48 plus 12R minus 4L minus RL. Also, from this we get L equal to 3R. So it becomes 6 from this equation becomes 6r squared is equal to 48 plus 12r minus 12r minus 3r squared or 9r squared is equal to 48. From here we get r is equal to 4 by root 3 centimeter and L is equal to 4 by root 3 into 3, that is 4 root 3 centimeter. Therefore, capital L is equal to 12 minus 4 root 3 centimeter. Therefore, the slant height of the frustum is 12 minus 4 root 3 centimeter, that is option D.